Have you ever had the experience of going to the kitchen sink or possibly to the bathroom basin or possibly the shower or the bathtub, turning on that hot water faucet and you wait and you wait and you wait on hot water? Well, folks, the problem is your hot water tank is way down at the far end of the house or down in the basement, and where you're demanding the hot water, it's the furthest away. Well, it's just like this kitchen here. The kitchen is the furthest away from the hot water tank. Now, how are we going to correct the problem? Well, there just so happens to be a product available for that right now. And the gentleman that's going to talk about it is Alan from Alan Mechanical. How are you doing, Alan?
Great, Shell.
And there it is. That's quite a little device.
It is. This is made by AutoCirc. It is an instant hot water pump. Just a really tiny pump here with a timer.
Now, it's not heating water.
No, it doesn't. What it does is the existing hot water and cold water supplies underneath this sink. What we do is we hook up the hot water here, hook up the cold water here, okay, and then we hook these two lines up to the faucet so we have our hot and cold water at the faucet.
Wow, well that's kind of neat and simple, and I see it's powered by 110.
That's correct. We're going to plug this into the carburetor line underneath the sink.
Oh, that was convenient.
Oh, it's...
Otherwise, you'd have to put a power supply in underneath a basin or whatever, or in a vanity.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and what this system does is there's a little temperature sensor in here. And when the hot water line that is being fed to this faucet cools down to below 85 degrees Fahrenheit, this tiny pump starts here.
Oh, so this starts pumping water.
It starts pumping water.
So it's not wasting water. There's nothing going down the drain at all. It's just moving water.
It's just moving water, and we're pumping that water back into the cold water supply, which will be looped back over into the hot water tank with the existing piping in the home.
Oh, so therefore what you're doing, you're basically using the cold water line back to the hot water tank.
Yes, so what we're doing is we're putting lukewarm water into the cold water line. When the water starts to get hot back over to the sink here, there's another sensor that's set at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and it shuts it off. So you'll have just a little bit of lukewarm water in your cold water line for a little while.
Oh, that's not so bad.
No, but then you will have hot water instantly at your faucet here.
Now, what's this timer all about here I see on the front?
Well, what the timer is, Shell, is you may not want this system running between 11 at night, 4 in the morning, something like that. You may want to be running it, you may want to have your water at 5 in the morning, either at your kitchen faucet here or in a bathroom faucet. Because this is the end of the line, what it's doing is we're actually putting hot water into the lines throughout the whole home.
Also, the bathrooms and the laundry room in that loop still get the benefits as well.
Oh, yeah.
So, pennies a day to operate?
Pennies a day.
Wow, now I tell you, somebody had to lay awake at night thinking about this device, and it's really solid. It's solid brass by the feel of it.
It's solid brass. It's a tiny unit. It can fit underneath anybody's vanity.
So therefore, you're going to get hot water instantly right at the kitchen or the bathroom basin or the shower.
Yep.
It's going to be pennies a day to circulate it, so you have that convenience.
Yep.
And you're not wasting water, so environmentally, you're saving and conserving water rather than just letting it run down the drain, waiting on that hot water.
Yeah, it's a win-win solution.
Now, I tell you, that is a great idea.
Yes, it is.